Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own website with just smartphone. We are going to use a app called Canva app. This is the app. So if you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download the app because we are going to use it. So let's just open it live. When you open it, just come here, this plus sign, click it. Just come here, this searching bar, just write website. There are so many website, business card and all of them, but for the sake of this video we are just going to direct for just our website. You click on the website, it is loading, just few minutes, everything will be okay. This is the website. When you come here, there are so many templates of websites, so I want you to observe this thing very well, that there are almost two types of the website you need. This one are the templates that you need to work on them, and there are some that are already work. Like for example, now see this one is have 6 pages. See this one, 6 pages. This one too, 6 pages, and this one is has 7 pages. So what we do now is to open one. You see it, you click apply all. So after you come here, what you do now is to start editing it. What we do now, you remove this picture, you press on this picture. So you come here, you press replace. When you press it, it will take you to your gallery direct. When you go there, you choose the picture you want to use. For the sake of this video, just let us just use random pictures and keep on going our work. Here is our logo. If you have logo, this is where you will put the logo. But if you don't have it logo, you can also download a logo from Canva. But for the sake of this video, let us just use the one they gave us. You come here, let us just change the color of the logo. Let us just leave it that black. So when you come here, you write the name of your brand. Like my own, I have iPhone 5, iPhone fashion, iPhone fashion. After that, you come here, you say welcome to, you write a welcome message. Welcome to iPhone fashion. Welcome to iPhone. But remember, I'm just writing this iPhone. You can write your own brand. Welcome to iPhone fashion. After you are done, you are satisfied with this page, you just slide it up, you go to another page. When you come here, you click it, you write what you want to write. You write what you want to write. on here, you click on the picture, you click on replace. If you want to bring another one, you click on the picture, you just click it, you see, you click replace, see it, see replace here, you click replace. I'm just doing fast because I don't want this video to be fast. So see it. So what we do now, you come here and edit all the what you want to write, what you want to write about the website. After you have done everything, so the next thing is to go to another slice. So when you come here, what we do is the same thing we did. This is just like a testimonial of the people that work the team. You write, you click on it, you write what you want to write, you click on the picture, you see replace here, this is replace, you click on it, you see it, you click on this picture, the text here, when you click it, you just clean it and put your own, and you keep going. After you have done, you are satisfied on that, you come here, the same thing, you come here, the same thing, anything you want, you click it here. Here they give you, you can change this thing. There are so many there are so many things you can do. Here is the colors if you want to change. Here is the style if you want this to be. Here is the style. Here is the size. Here is the border. Here is the crop, and here is the animation. Here is the layer. But we are not here for this now. You come here. Here is the final, I think. Yeah, here is the final stage where you can put, here you can put your logo, like your Instagram logo. You put it, you write your username, you put your contact, you put everything. When you have finished doing that, after you are finished, you have to review your work and see how the thing works. See, this is amazing. See our website. See our website. Like, this is our work. See our website. This is amazing. See, this is amazing. See, oh God, see, this is amazing. We have finished our work. If somebody asks you that, if somebody tell you that they use website to do, they use phone to do that, you can't believe. And the beautiful fact is that anything you see here, we can make it clickable. But for the sake of this video, because I don't want it to be long, let's just save our work and go on. So here I want you to understand this thing very well. Here, how the website will look on desktop. Here is how the website will look on tablet and a mobile phone. Please understand this thing. Here is mobile phone now. Here is the desktop, a laptop or desktop. Here is the tablet. This is how the website will look. When you continue, when you come here, so the next thing now we do is to publish our website, so that we can have link and we have domain name and we can use everything we want here. So now we are going to publish our work without navigation. With navigation, which one? Just anyone can go. God, we continue. So here is where we type our work. Let's just say iPhone phone, iPhone fashion. You press continue. This user is not available. Oh God, you find the usual, you find the one that is available. Here it is, guys. It's amazing.